Algeria. Algeria. In yellow. And the color guy is here. In yellow.
Hatari! Zambia huyo! Zambia huyo! Zambia huyo! Long range!
It keeps us fit. It keeps us when you're active in class. It also makes our brain active. I also like sports because whenever I do sports, we always make our body organs to be more active, like the lungs, the heart, they always be active when you do sports.
And I love sports because they make me physically fit, and I get energy when I do sports. I participate in running and netball.
The biggest challenge I could cite is that some parents think that this activity is a waste of time to some of the children. And sometimes some parents wish to discourage these girls from participating.
Masomero agabawala gano National Council of Government kubanga tingali nesomero lulira lya primary tuyina department number mu Ministry of Education and Sports jibayita Department of Physical Education and Sports kyova owulira nti bakola tulina championship zone of primary paka ku tertiary institutions. So fe tumanyi nti olwaleero bwolaba gayaza n'amagunga amasomero g'abawala okusinga gakoze ekintu ky'amaanyi nnyo era nkubira omulanga abo bonna abalina abawala mu masomero basobola okulaba nga abaana nabo bakola ki abawala baparticipatinga kuba tulaba kubeera na Inzukuru yekka tulaba kubeera na Susan Muwongo yekka